Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Hedera. I'm trying to cover this every other day, so if you're interested in Hedera content, good Hedera content, if I may add, hopefully you agree, consider subscribing. But what we're going to do in this video is we're going to do a full analysis here on Hbar, the current situation, what to expect. Obviously, the next 24 to 48 hours are going to be incredibly volatile. All right, so that is something you need to be prepared for. That's not for Hedera specifically, although the leverage for Hbar or the leverage that's in Hbar right now is actually quite high. It's not worryingly high. It's quite high, but that means that we can have some more volatility. That means that there's probably some liquidity or liquidation prices down here, which we can spike into. But ultimately, the situation for Hbar as a whole is actually still quite bullish. We obviously hit that major resistance level at 38 cents, which was also the main resistance level at the start of December. So what I said in the last video 2 days ago is that, all right, well, we hit a significant resistance level. I think ultimately we can break above that and head for that next major target around 48 cents, which from the current price is a move of about 38%. Would be amazing to get that. However, what I also said, I think it's short term more likely to get a pullback, and that was for different reasons. I mean, first of all, Bitcoin was at resistance, which did not really find resistance, but it didn't matter for Hbar because we also had a lot of, like I said, had a lot of leverage already on Friday. So what I said is I think it's most likely we'll drop down into the previous value area high right here, between 33 and 32 cents, and that from there we can find support, and that from there we can actually break out. So do I still think that? Yes. However, I do think, I mean, like I said, with the volatility in the next like 48 hours, a lot is going to be possible. All right, it's possible that we spike down all the way to the 29 cents POC, as you can see right here, we have the POC there, and it's the previous month POC as well, so strong level. It's possible that we spike down all the way there. So I do think, even though I'm ultimately still bullish on Hedera, and I'll tell you why in a moment, I do think you need to be prepared for moves like that. And if you do want to trade this with leverage, which I know most of you are just holding this spot, so that's fine, I think. But if you want to trade this with leverage, be careful, right? Either a tight stop or a very wide stop loss, but then a smaller position size is what you should do. But yeah, that's but yeah. So this is ultimately what I expect. The main reason why I do think we can actually stay bullish here is because this was a major breakout. All right, we had this range right here near the tops. Usually, if you see a structure like this, it's going to continue in continuation. All right, so I already told you when we were ranging that I expected a breakout down the line. Now we actually had the breakout, and I think it's a valid breakout. The breakout was with real volume, with real momentum. And then outside of that, I think Hedera fundamentally is bullish, and that is perhaps even the biggest reason why I do expect us to get up higher. I think with a potential Hedera ETF coming in 2025, that's still a major catalyst that needs to be priced in. And if you look at the TVL here, you can also just see that Hedera is growing. Now this is the total value that's locked on Hedera, right? So a lot of this is in Hbar. So what that means is that it's very correlated with that price. But what you can see is that right now the price is actually trading quite a bit lower than the 6th of December. And you can see that the TVL is actually at the same levels. All right, so what that means is that there's a bullish divergence, because the price is lower than there and the TVL is higher than there. Right, so that means that there's actual growth of the network as well. That's in combination with the potential ETF and the technical structure. That's why I do think that we may be volatile, but that we'll be able to hold this level and that we'll be able to rally up higher into my first price target around 48 cents. And from there, we'll see. We could rally up higher as well, of course, but that's just my first price target. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.